Remember how to play?
No.
Me neither.
But why are you at a playground? Is that a bear? Oh, that's cute. I want to go in there. Yeah!
We're so mature.
I just stone cold faced went down that slide. Oh god. I don't like you schmoving in the fog. Please stop.
Bro, this
Someone's
guy's
gonna
just...
get eaten by a snake. Oh, yeah, did you see a snake in the cutscene? Yeah, I think that's a snake in the cutscene. I'm not sure, but I think that's a snake in the cutscene.
About time you showed your ugly face.
Ew, okay, never mind. I no longer want to be friends. Oh! Yeah, I see it, my guy. I have eyes. Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey, are you doing okay?
Oh!
Are you doing okay?
Oh!
Hey, how you doing? You doing alright? I sure hope there are no snakes in here! Come here, snake dude. Do it! Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it! Now, hit it, hit the thing! There you go!
You good? You good,
Crispy
homie?
fried snake!
Oh!
Jeez. Where are you?
Ow!
Oh! Couldn't find you.
Oh, God.
Don't worry about it.
Combo.
Yeah. Y'all, I'm
good?
trying to get boxes here and they're shooting me.
You're the sniper here. Sniper duel them.
I don't have any way. And I am not okay. That's unfortunate.
I think I just punched one off into the net. Oh!
Did you just drown? We're here. We've got beer. Do we have beer?
Yes.
We're here. We've got beer, and
We're ready to smear.
wait, this seems familiar.
I wonder why.
Oh, I forgot the button.
Also good job.
What's the button that makes me do the thing?
'Cause you're going down.
Oh,
That.
it's this one.
Oh!
Hey, I know those people.
Wait, since when do they get there before us?
Yeah, I don't remember that happening for us.
Were we just too slow? Don't worry, I did that too.
God, it's an alternate dimension where we had to take the stairs.
Where we had to
okay?
take, it's an alternate dimension where we had to take the stairs.
That's the only thing different about it. I got this.
Watch out, it's
Oh,
Roomba.
it's the exploding roombas. Oh! Hey, are you dead? Are you dying?
Bag of tricks isn't going to stop us.
Dude, you're on the ground. I just punctured your nipple with adrenaline juice. You need to get up.
Is dying. Her little bag of tricks isn't gonna stop us. Oh, watch out.
Hey, I may have been slightly... Hey, you may have also been slightly injured. Hey, I'm getting absolutely rocked by some Roombas here. Oh! Where am I?
It's over.
Is the big bad soldier gonna shoot me?
Lady, I just might.
Friend likes it like hard to get. She always been like this?
I am a man.
That's Helena talking to Leon.
There she is. Cut her off.
Who's Helena?
Helena?
Oh,
Helena?
Oh, yeah,
You remember
yeah.
Helena?
Yes, I remember Helena. Oh, yeah. I had to shoot the president.
I just shot the president.
I just shot the president.
That's this game's... Where's everyone going? Bingo line.
Yeah.
Chris. I know you'll do the right thing.
He's gonna shoot her.
I know you'll do the right thing. Cut the Pierce.
Yeah. He didn't tell me to do the right thing.
Oh, I got a gun. Oh God, you're driving. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Am I
Oh no.
driving?
You're driving. Oh no. Oh no. No 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 no. No 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 no.
Hey, I think we're losing her. Hold on, let me accelerate. And into the ocean we go. Oh, just kidding. Were you defy gravity? we would have no bones. Absolutely none. How is she okay?
Why am I dead?
Yeah, I don't remember where we left off.
Remember we crashed that truck? Oh no, oh Jesus.
Who's that? Oh, I'm not gonna make this. I'm not gonna make it. Okay.
Good, Captain.
Okay, there's also sniper people.
Well then just don't run in a straight line.
I only run in straight line. Yeah, you run in front of me and you take all the hits. Oh, God. There you go. Wow, we are gonna die so fast. Okay.
Why did you just tackle me?
What the heck? What did I tackle you for? They explode. They explode. Ah. Have I mentioned they explode? Come here. Okay. A little aggressive. She's just gonna zip line away again or jump off. They drove by, shot her, and left.
Now what? Let's check the rear hangar. There've got to be some planes back there. Yes, sir.
Oh no.
What?
Did you not hear what he said?
Are we gonna fly a plane? More important question, am I gonna fly a plane?
Oh no, oh no, oh
Why are you driving?
no. Uh-oh.
Did you just crash? Cooper!
I was busy doing a barrel roll.
Uh-oh.
Oh god.
What did I just say?
Look. This is hard.
Timer.
Roger that HQ. We're on it.
There, I have no more knees now. Ooh, okay.
Piers is
just climbed
absolutely
over
dead.
that. I'm gonna jump into your loving arms. Are you ready? Hello.
Alright, you ready?
No.
We're rescuing Jake from State Farm. You should be proud. Button.
How dare you?
How? No.
Yeah, good comeback.
Cheers. I got another set of blades in the way.
Okay, hold on. I'm being shot at.
Hold on, just give me a minute as he's
Yeah.
lying on the floor.
I'm taking a nap. Ah, let me in. Ow. Ow.
Does that do damage? No, it doesn't.
No, but it's really funny. I'm about to be shot again.
Take your Tic Tacs.
Ah.
Oh god, it's
Wait,
pressurizing.
we have to wait for multiple. Hey! Did you know you could blow yourself up?
You blew me up.
There's bugs on me. Ah!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm coming.
Ah.
Are you alive? Come here. Come here. Oh, you're being bugged. That is absolutely horrifying.
Just move. Oh, you better hurry up.
Don't yell at me.
Wait,
I'm
what about me?
stressed. Perish.
Help! Help! You can't just leave me.
Oh, I gotta help you. Oh,
Ah!
Hey.
Hey, I'm walking here.
I'm walking here. What are you doing on my side of the road? I'm walking here. Here comes Aquaman Nightmare Edition.
Captain, we're out of time. We gotta go.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Why are you rolling?
I'm coming.
What are you
can't-
doing?
It won't let me stop rolling. I can't.
What are you
Help.
doing?
It's not gonna. Yeah, I think I got left behind. Oh please. I would rather drown than get hit by that actually. Yeet.
Oh no. That's unfortunate.
Well, guess who's getting left behind today?
Oh, that's your arm.
My God.
That's your whole arm.
Am I about to drink some go-go juice? I'm about to mega. I might shoot. I'm unclear what I'm gonna do with this fruit punch, but it's going in something. It's going in me. I'm taking one for the team.
Loading.
Yeah. my DNA cells be like.
Ready
Dude,
weapon.
Ready weapon. I'm an eel.
Ah!
Hey, can I try and shock you with this?
I literally have nothing but grenade launcher ammo.
Okay, hold on. I want to try something. Oh,
Ah!
crawl faster.
I'm trying.
I only got 2 more of these.
I think I'm supposed to shoot it, but since I have my knife out, I had to crawl over here.
Oh. Finally.
Jesus. Is the depressurization complete yet?
Yeah, honestly, it's been depressurizing for the last 8 centuries.
Getting out of here. Piers, open the goddamn door. That's an order.
Get schmixed. I don't follow orders. I'm a pickle. Boonk.
What?
You are an orb floating amongst the sea.
Rest in peace. Rest in Piers. Rest in pears.
Oh, rest in pairs.
Rest in peas.
And now Chris is stranded in the middle of nowhere. Hope you like soup because that's all that's around you.
We did it, boys. We beat Schmesident Schmeevil Schmecks for the second time. Haha, you got a B rank. Haha, B rank.
Dude, I died to save you, and you're laughing at my B rank.
Well, maybe if you didn't die, you would have gotten an A rank.
Okay, that is racist.